Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all you are fine. Today we are going to learn with a new topic. Before that, I will ask some questions. How does milk turn into curd? Yes, through fermentation. Does fermentation require oxygen? Fermentation does not require oxygen. It is a kind of respiration. It takes place without the presence of oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. So today we can deal with the topic anaerobic respiration in detail. The first one is lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation. Fermentation. In this process, glucose is converted into pyruvic acid, and then pyruvic acid is converted to lactic acid by the action of bacteria. Example, milk is converted to curd. First, glucose is converted to pyruvic acid, and then pyruvic acid is converted to lactic acid by the action of bacteria. By the action of bacteria. Example, milk is converted to curd. It occurs in the cytoplasm. It does not require oxygen, so it is known as anaerobic respiration. Does not require oxygen. So it is known as anaerobic respiration. The first one is lactic acid fermentation. Are you clear? Okay. The next one is alcohol fermentation. Alcohol fermentation. It is a type of anaerobic respiration. In this process, glucose is converted to pyruvic acid. First, glucose is converted to pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid. And later by the action of yeast, it is converted to alcohol and carbon dioxide. Glucose is converted to pyruvic acid, and then by the action of yeast it is converted to alcohol and carbon dioxide. Example, fermentation of bacteria. Example, fermentation of bacteria. Are you clear? There are many examples in our daily life for fermentation. The first one is the conversion of milk into curd by the action of lactobacillus bacteria, and the use of yeast in bakery, preparation of wine, etc. And also the use of yeast is to soften butter. These are the major examples for fermentation in our daily life. Are you clear? Okay, thank you.